In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on Shopify so your brand stands out more clearly and gives your store a stronger professional appearance. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar menu. Next, select Themes to view your current Shopify theme. On your active theme, click the Customize button. This opens the Shopify theme editor where you can modify your storefront design in real time. Inside the theme editor, look for the header section or theme settings depending on your Shopify theme. If you're using the Dawn theme or most modern Shopify themes, click on Header first. Here, you'll usually see options related to your store logo, including logo width or custom logo size settings. If your logo is already uploaded, you can directly adjust the logo width slider to increase the size of the logo. Simply drag the slider to the right until your logo appears larger and more visible on your storefront. If you haven't uploaded a logo yet, click Select Image and upload your logo from your computer. After uploading, adjust the size settings again until you're satisfied with how it looks. Make sure to preview your logo on both desktop and mobile views because a logo that looks perfect on desktop might appear too large on smaller screens. Some Shopify themes also include separate mobile logo settings, so check those options if available. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes to your live store. If your theme does not offer enough logo size control inside the editor, you may need to customize the theme code slightly through Edit Code settings. For additional help, you can also visit the official Shopify Theme Customization Help Center. And that's it. Your Shopify logo should now appear larger and more noticeable, helping strengthen your branding and improve your store's overall visual appeal. Thanks for watching.